Here's what to expect when opening PSD files from Photoshop and GIMP. Hi Pat. Today I'll show what happens when you open a Photoshop PSD in GIMP, what gets preserved, and the best workaround if you need to keep everything editable. Okay, let's open the PSD file using GIMP. You'll see a PSD import dialog warning that some features aren't fully supported. There's additional information shown in the dialog. Click OK to continue and import the file. After import, look at the Layers panel on the left. The PSD layers are flattened inside their group in GIMP, whereas in the original PSD each layer is preserved inside the same group, with its individual layer effects and solid color fill layers intact. But GIMP does not preserve those Photoshop effects. They will be flattened. The same layer in the original PSD is a Smart PSD layer. In GIMP this layer is flattened. While in the original PSD it's a solid color fill layer you can edit at any time. The main things that remain when opening a Photoshop file in GIMP are groups and masks, as shown here in the original PSD and here after importing to GIMP. If you need to keep all effects and editable fill layers intact, open the PSD in Photopea instead. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.